Hi guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will be teaching you how to crochet this super cute chubby cat. It is pretty easy to make, it is fully no sew, and you can use any sort of colors that you have in mind. It also takes less than 30 minutes to make and is a perfect gift for cat lovers. So let's start with the tutorial. For this tutorial, I will be using super bulky yarn. This is the brand Alice Velluto, a 5mm crochet hook, 12mm safety eyes, stuffing for the body, pink and blue thread for the final details. I am using thin yarn, scissors, sewing needle, and I highly recommend the use of stitch markers, especially if you are a beginner. We will start by making the tail of our cat. For the first round, we will make 6 single crochet into a magic ring. For the next 3 rounds, we will single crochet a round. This means that we will make 1 single crochet per stitch, so at the end you should still have 6 stitches. We can now take our scissors and cut the yarn. There's no need to leave a long tail because we will join our tail while crocheting the body. Fast enough, and we will save it for later. We will now work in the body, and we will start by making 8 single crochet into the magic ring. For round 2, we will make 8 increases. You should end up with 16 stitches at the end of the round. For round 3, we will make 1 single crochet and 1 increase until the end of the round, and you should end up with 24 stitches. In round 4, we will be joining our tail. We will start by making 4 single crochet. And now we are going to join our tail. I didn't stuff it, but you can if you want. And now we are going to flatten it and insert our hook through the first pair of stitches like this, and then we are going to insert it through the next stitch in our main round and make 1 single crochet, and repeat for the next 2 pair of stitches. To finish this round, we will make 17 single crochet. For the next 3 rounds, we will single crochet around, so at the end you should still have 24 stitches. Your cat's body should be looking like this right now. We will now work in round 8, and we will be doing 2 single crochet and 1 decrease until the end of the round, and you should end up with 18 stitches. For the decreases, I like to use the invisible decrease. Before we continue, we will add our safety eyes between rounds 5 to 6, and we will place them 5 stitches apart, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make sure that they are aligned with the tail of the cat. In the next round, we will be working the legs of our cat. Because of the tension or the hook or the yarn you use, the bubble stitches may be placed incorrectly in your case, so I recommend you to move them as needed. We will start by making 1 decrease. And now we will make a bubble stitch with 5 loops over our hook. So we will do 4 unfinished double crochets. You should now have 5 loops, and we will go through all of them. Now we are going to make a decrease and 1 single crochet and the other bubble stitch. Your bubble stitches should be aligned with the tail. Now we will make 2 decreases. 1, 2. And the third bubble stitch should be close to your first safety eye. Now we will do 3 single crochet. And the last bubble stitch should align with your other safety eye. And to finish with this round, we will make 2 single crochet. Before we continue, we will stuff the body of our cat as much as possible. We will now work in the last round of our cat, and we will make 7 decreases, so you should end up with 7 stitches. You can now cut the yarn and fasten off. If you want, you can also add more stuffing if you feel like your cat is missing some. And now we are going to close our cat. We will use a sewing needle, and I like to go through the front loop only of each stitch. And pull to close. And we are going to hide the remaining tail. Here is the finished body. Your cat should be able to stand by itself. And now we will work in the ears. We will insert our hook in round 4, 1 stitch apart from the eye. And now we are going to pull the yarn. Then we are going to chain 2 and then make 1 single crochet in the second chain from our hook. To finish, we will insert our hook in round 3 and do a slip stitch. And now you can cut the yarn and fasten off. We are going to repeat the same process for the other ear, starting in round 3 and finishing in round 4. Move 1 stitch from your eye and 1, 2, 3, insert your hook, pull yarn through, chain 2, do a single crochet in the second chain from our hook, and insert your hook in round 4 and do a slip stitch. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Here are the 2 ears, and now with the sewing needle we will hide the remaining tails. We will now work in the final details, so we will use our pink thread and our sewing needle. Insert your needle through one side of the cut and take it out between both eyes. You should have at least 2 visible stitches between the 2 eyes. We will be working with them, so go from one stitch to the other 3 times. 1, 2, and in the third one we will take out our needle 1 round below between both stitches. And then we will go below the nose and insert our needle there and take it out on one side of the face to make the whiskers like this. And now our whiskers are 1 stitch long, so go here like this, and then go to the same stitch again and take it out on the other side and repeat here. And then we will go to the back of our cat, and now we are going to embroider an X here and take it out in the same place where we started and secure and hide everything. And to finish, we will take our blue thread and make the details around the eyes. So take your needle out as close as possible to the eye and go around it, always working as close to the eye as possible. And repeat from this eye. Secure everything, cut the excess, and hide the rest. And here are our finished cats. Tell me in the comments which one is your favorite and what other tutorials would you like to see in my channel. Don't forget to like and to subscribe because that would help me a lot to bring you more content like this one. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!